Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. Can you ace this logic quiz? Let's go! Level 1. Easy. Here's the first one. Pick the odd one out. Sweater. It's the only one that's not summer wear. Number 2. Can you guess the next number in the series? That's right. It's 70. Number 3. Pick the odd one out. Ambulance. It's the only vehicle that's not used in construction. Number 4. If thing is equal to 21735, then what will night be equal to? That's right. It's 37512. Enjoying the quiz? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 5. Pick the odd one out. Water lily. It's the only flower that grows in water. Number 6. If 2 days ago it was Monday, then what day will it be the day after tomorrow? That's right, Friday. Simple, wasn't it? Number 7. Pick the odd one out. Pudding. It's the only dessert, while the rest are not. Number 8. There are 120 dogs at a dog shelter. Each consumes 600 grams of chicken per day. How many kilograms of chicken is consumed per day? Well done on the conversion. It's 72 kilograms. Number 9. Pick the odd one out. That's right, tree. It's not one of the elements. Number 10. If 5 workers take 8 days to complete a task, then how long will 2 workers take to complete the same task? "20 days. Here's a bonus one. Pick the odd one out. Share your answer in the comments. Level 2, hard. Number 11. If your lunch at a restaurant cost $150 and you to pay 8% tax, what is the total amount that you had to pay? It's $162. Once again, pick the odd one out. Statue of Liberty. It's the only landmark not found in Italy. Number 13. What is half of 1/10 of 2/3 of half of 2100? That's right, 35. Number 14. Another one where you need to pick the odd one out. The blue clock. It's the only digital clock. Number 15. How many sevens are there between 1 to 100? That's right, 20. Good counting. Number 16. What is 38% of 35,000? Right again. It's 13,300. Number 17. Pick the odd color out. Crimson. Unlike the other colors, it's not one of the rainbow colors. Number 18. If all Indians are Asians and all Asians are beautiful, then does it imply that all Indians are beautiful? Yes, it does. Hope you enjoyed the quiz. Do share how many you got right. Happy quizzing!